Welcome to my channel. My name is Resi, and on here it's all about baking and creating. In today's recipe I'm making a variation on the angel eye Christmas cookies. I'm making Hussar Kisses. In German they're called Husarenküsse. They're very similar to the angel eyes. Hussars were Hungarian soldiers on horseback, usually with a sword. How it came to the kisses of the Hussars is anyone's guess. My guess is they kissed a lot of ladies on the way. The Hussar cookies are very similar to the angel eye cookies. The only difference is they have a lot of lemon zest inside and they are rolled in hazelnuts. That makes them very buttery, very crispy and very tangy. It's another classic on any German cookie selection platter for Christmas. They are also called Plätzchen as well as Husaren Ku in Germany. Let's get going and make them. We're starting off by zesting a lemon. In goes 300 grams spelt flour, 150 grams of hazelnuts chopped, 250 grams of cold butter, 150 grams of sugar, always a pinch of salt, 4 egg yolks, a little bit of vanilla pod, and last, the lemon zest. As a final step, go through it with your hands quickly. As it's a shortcast pastry, it likes to remain cold. So really a quick bliss. And then we put the dough outside for 30 minutes. One thing to mention that I had forgotten, put your dough into a shape like this, quite flat, like a rectangle. Then it becomes easier to work with once it's cold. So yeah, see you shortly. The dough has now cooled. Heat up your oven to 220 Celsius, and we will now distribute the dough in even parts and make our Husaren kisses. We now divide the dough into rolls of 2.5 centimeters. I do it like this, and then I make my rolls out of these by hand. And then go ahead and cut them into similar pieces. Roll into little balls. Make them flat. Put them into your egg white, followed by the nuts, and then put them on your parchment. First tray is ready, and what we will do now is we make holes with the end of the wooden spoon for the jam. First tray is ready, and what we're doing now with the spoon is to make holes on top for the jam. So the first tray is ready, goes into the oven for 6 minutes. The cookies are now ready. They turned out really nice. However, I have to say they were in the oven longer than 6 minutes. The 6 minutes didn't work for my oven. And the only thing to do now is to fill the little holes with hot jam. I'm heating up raspberry jam. So to make this process easier, I will fill the hot jam into a piping bag and then carefully inject a little bit into every cookie. How wonderful is this? The only thing left to do for me right now is to enjoy my hot cup of tea and of course to try these. I'm really looking forward. I love anything that has lemon zest inside. I think it's really lovely in summer as well as in winter. So I'm very much looking forward to these. Really, really nice. Very fluffy, very nutty, very zingy, really great. I can't say they're any better than my angel eye recipe. They're quite similar in a way. If you're interested in that recipe, you should also check this one out. I will link it up there. And yes, absolutely lovely. This is another classic on a German Christmas cookie plate. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a lovely time wherever you are. Thank you. Bye.